Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by measuring your pixel, width, and thickness matter because the headset must hold the phone firmly. Once done, cut the cardboard template to scale. This creates the chassis that supports lenses and phone clamps. Glue or score the fold lines so edges align precisely, and attach the lens holders where indicated. These hold the optics at the correct focal distance. Make sure to leave the headphone/microphone port access, otherwise you'll have audio or sensor issues later. Now focus on optics and stabilization. Position the lenses so the focal plane aligns with your pixel screen. This is why accurate measurements matter. Install a cushioned phone cradle with about 1/2 cm padding to prevent scratches and ensure snug fit. Fasten with Velcro or elastic straps. Once the phone is in, adjust the interpupillary distance by sliding lenses slightly left or right until both images merge. This tuning reduces double vision and improves comfort during extended use. Finish by sealing flaps, adding a nose cutout, and attaching an adjustable head strap so weight sits on your forehead. Balance prevents slipping. Place your pixel, launch a VR app, and check alignment. If the image blurs, slightly move lenses or change phone distance. If you see glare, darken the interior with matte paint. If double image persists, tweak IPD or lens separation. Finally, if the phone slips, add extra padding or a lower strap. These small fixes keep the headset usable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.